Welcome to Let's Think Out of the Box. So, today, what we'll be seeing in this lesson is what is a volcano, how does a volcano erupt, and types of volcanic eruption. So, what is seen in the images? What do we see in the image? We see a volcanic mountain and we see lava flowing out of it. So, this is an image of a volcano. Okay, now let's see what is a volcano. Let's see a definition. It is an opening in the surface of the earth which allows hot molten rock, ash and gases to escape from the deep below the surface of the earth. So what happens is volcano is nothing but an opening in the surface of the earth which allows the lava, hot molten rocks, gases and ashes to escape from the surface of the earth. Now let's see how a volcano erupts. So below the earth's surface we have certain rocks called the mantle rocks. So when these mantle rocks they melt down, they form a very thick flowing substance that is called the magma. Then the magma it gradually rises up to the earth's surface, and when found a opening, it erupts, it comes out of it flowing down as the lava. So when the magma flows out of the opening, it is called the lava. Volcanoes erupt when the mantle rocks beneath the surface of the earth melts and form a thick flowing substance called magma. So what is magma? Magma is nothing but when the mantle rocks melt down, they form a thick flowing substance called the magma. So these magmas, what gives the magma explosive character is the hot gases present in it. Like the gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, and certain minor amounts of sulfur, chlorine, and fluorine. So these gives the magma explosive nature. When reaching the surface, they explode. So these is the reason these hot gases give them an explosive nature. And when the magma reaches the earth's surface, so what flows out of the mountain of the opening is called the lava. Now let's see the types of volcanic eruption. That is active volcano, dormant volcano and extinct volcano. Now let's see what is an active volcano. Active volcanoes, they have a recent history of eruption and they are likely to erupt again. Meaning they have recently erupted and there is a much of a possibility of it erupting again. Example is Mount Etna in Italy. So these mountains, they have the lava, they have the magma present in them, so they can erupt at any time. There is much of a possibility of it erupting anytime. So one of the example, let's see. So this is a picture of Mount Etna in Italy. So this mount had erupted in the year August 29, 2022, and this was the eruption date, and there is much of a possibility of it even erupting this year too. Next, let's see what's a dormant volcano. Volcanoes have not erupted for a very long time but may erupt in the future. So these volcanoes, they have not erupted for a very long time. They had been very quiet, but there is a possibility of it erupting in the future. They have the magma present in them and there is much of a possibility of it erupting again. For example, Mount Fuji in Japan. This is an example picture of Mount Fuji. So last it had exploded, it had erupted in the year 1707, and later after a while after keeping quiet for a while, it had erupted in the year 1960. So these mountains after erupting they have been quiet for a very long time, hence they are named dormant volcanoes. But there is much of a possibility of it erupting again. The next, extinct volcano. Extinct volcanoes, the name itself gives the meaning, meaning something that is no more. Extinct means something that is no more. So these volcanoes are not expected to erupt in the future. They do not have lava supply inside them, and any volcano that has not erupted for nearly 10,000 years is classified as extinct. For example, the Ben Nevis in United Kingdom. So this mountain is one of the highest mountain in UK. So this is an image of the Ben Nevis. This had erupted in the year, it had erupted 350 million years ago, and it has been quiet for a very long time. So this has been given as the extinct volcano. Thank you. If you like this slide, like, share and subscribe.